Okay, for my add-on, I decided to look into the Lucid chart diagrams. So normally that won't be there, but you can go to add-ons and then it will say Lucid chart diagrams for slides. You can choose, your options are to insert a diagram or update inserted diagrams, and there's a little help button. But if you click on insert diagram, then it will pull up your account with Lucid and it'll have a little folder with your diagrams. So you can click on it and you can see this Venn diagram that I have here is one that I just made. And yes, this Venn diagram does show that everything is awesome. And so if you want to make a Venn diagram or make any kind of chart, you just go to the plus button and it will take you to this page here where you can see all the different kinds of charts that they have. They have a flow chart, Venn diagram, floor plan, all these different charts that help you to organize information. Mind maps are a really nice one, especially if you're trying to get students to connect different ideas with each other. That's a really good one to use. And then you can choose one and create one. And then once you have it created, it'll show up here in your diagrams. You name it and you save it. And then you can come and you can insert it into a slide. So you'll just go and press on that button and it'll insert it into your slide for you. So you can see it just popped up right there. And then you can resize it how you like. This is a nice tool if you are needing to visually connect things. It's also a good tool to have the students download and use to see their comprehension and to see how they're connecting ideas and to see to even teach them about what kind of graphs are best to present different types of information. So yeah, I really like this. It's got a nice look. It's really easy and fluid to use. There are some things in Lucid Chart that if you want to use the full extent of it, you have to pay for, but everything that I've done here is totally free.